1. 1979 Chevrolet El Camino. Price, $20,800, located, Burlington Junction, Missouri. The 1979 Chevrolet El Camino is an outstanding pro-street build that combines classic American styling with serious drag racing performance. This example has been driven only 300 miles and features an automatic transmission, a striking purple exterior, gasoline power, and a clean title. Built to perform, it is powered by a professionally assembled 427 Dart V8 engine from Line Performance, delivering exceptional horsepower and reliability. A 150-shot non-progressive nitrous system is included with a dual bottle setup, making it ready for additional performance after the supplied plate is installed. Power is transferred through a Bishop's Performance Turbo 400 transmission equipped with a trans brake and reverse manual valve body, while a Tom's axle differential with 4.30 gears ensures maximum traction. Additional equipment includes dual batteries, a 14-gallon fuel cell, twin fuel pumps, removable graphic vinyl, and extra wheels, tires, and spare parts. The seller notes that the torque converter is beginning to tighten and will likely need replacement in the future, although the car currently runs and drives as it sits. Designed primarily for drag racing, it can also be converted back to street legal condition with relative ease. This El Camino represents an excellent opportunity for collectors or racers looking for a powerful, well-built classic muscle machine that is ready for the strip while still offering impressive versatility and long-term value. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $25,000, located, Sumter, South Carolina. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built bracket drag car designed for racers who want dependable performance and consistency at the track. Finished in classic white with a red interior, this race-ready machine has been driven approximately 1,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic Powerglide transmission featuring a trans brake for precise launches. Under the hood is a disc-stroked 331 small block V8 that delivers strong, reliable power while remaining competitive in bracket racing. The drivetrain includes a rugged 12-bolt rear end with 4.88 gears and a full spool, along with strange rear axles for maximum durability. A lightweight fiberglass front end, Lexan windows, and a full roll cage help reduce weight while increasing safety. Weld racing wheels and massive 31x15x15 rear slicks provide outstanding traction on the strip. The stock suspension has been retained for proven consistency, making this Nova a complete race car that is ready to compete immediately. It represents an excellent opportunity for anyone seeking a well-prepared classic Chevrolet drag racer with impressive performance and proven reliability. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $25,000, located, Westminster, South Carolina. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a professionally prepared vintage race car built for serious competition and proven performance. Owned by a single owner, this classic racer is constructed on a respected KBL chassis and has been carefully equipped with premium racing components throughout. The suspension features advanced quick-change shocks that allow rapid adjustments for different track conditions, while an onboard fire suppression system provides added safety during competition. A helmet cooling system helps improve driver comfort during long races, making the car suitable for demanding events. Power comes from a Charlie Long Enforcer racing engine paired with a competition transmission that delivers dependable performance lap after lap. The seller includes extra wheels, additional racing tires, and more than half of a 55-gallon drum of racing fuel, providing exceptional value for the next owner. This Camaro is described as a proven race winner that consistently runs near the front of the field. Whether competing in vintage racing events or adding a successful classic racer to a collection, this Camaro offers outstanding quality, impressive equipment, and championship-level potential. 4. 1965 Dodge Coronet. Price, $35,000, located, Morehead City, North Carolina. The 1965 Dodge Coronet is an impressive classic race machine offered as a complete package with a well-equipped 32-foot enclosed trailer. Finished in attractive blue, this high-performance muscle car has been driven approximately 12,345 miles, features an automatic transmission, gasoline power, and has had 2 owners. Under the hood is a powerful 500 cubic inch stroker engine paired with a TorqueFlite transmission featuring a reverse manual valve body for maximum racing performance. Built for consistent quarter-mile competition, the car regularly produces reliable 9-second passes while maintaining excellent stability and control. Safety is enhanced by a full roll cage, while the wide rear racing tires provide exceptional traction during hard launches. The enclosed trailer includes built-in cabinets, air conditioning, an electric winch, and a new electric hydraulic jack, making transportation and maintenance convenient at any event. The clean exterior finish complements its aggressive appearance, making this coronet equally impressive in the staging lanes or on display. It is an outstanding package for racers seeking a competitive, dependable, and fully equipped classic Mopar drag racing combination. 5. 1965 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $20,000, located, Appomattox, Virginia. The 1965 Chevrolet Malibu is a solid all-steel classic that has been prepared with performance in mind while maintaining its authentic muscle car character. Finished in blue with a black interior, this vehicle has been driven approximately 12,568 miles and features an automatic transmission powered by gasoline. The seller confirms that the vehicle is fully paid off and comes with a clear title, making ownership straightforward for its next enthusiast. Under the hood sits a dependable 355 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a Powerglide transmission, creating a proven combination for street performance or weekend drag racing. The body retains its original steel construction with factory glass throughout, with only the windshield differing from the remaining glass components. Its clean appearance and strong mechanical setup make it an excellent platform for further customization or immediate enjoyment. Whether used for local cruise nights, bracket racing, or as the foundation for a future pro street build, this Malibu offers excellent value, classic Chevrolet styling, dependable V8 performance, and outstanding potential for collectors and performance enthusiasts alike. 6. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe 2D. Price, $65,000, located, Atlanta, Georgia. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro SS Coupe is a professionally built turnkey street and strip machine that combines serious horsepower with impressive drivability. Finished in blue with a black interior, this Camaro has been driven only 300 miles since completion and remains in excellent condition. Equipped with a clean title, the car is fully streetable with working lights, functioning windows, and an all-steel body, while only the hood is constructed from lightweight fiberglass. The chassis features a professionally built back half 4-link suspension, Dana rear axle with Richmond 4.10 gears, QA1 performance shocks, Willwood disc brakes, and rack and pinion steering for exceptional handling and control. Power comes from a massive 565 cubic inch big block engine fitted with Brodix BB3 cylinder heads, a bullet roller camshaft, Jezel roller rockers, Jezel belt drive, and a direct portfogger nitrous system. A Denver 2-speed Powerglide transmission and Neil Chance nitrous converter complete the drivetrain. With updated electronics and race-proven components throughout, this Camaro is ready for competitive racing, weekend cruising, or serious muscle car collecting. 7. 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass. Price, $50,000, located, Sparta, North Carolina. The 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass is a professionally built turnkey drag car designed for racers who demand outstanding performance and consistency on the track. Finished in an attractive burgundy exterior, this competition machine has accumulated approximately 123,456 miles and is equipped with an automatic racing transmission. Built on a lightweight Alston chassis with a fiberglass body, the car weighs only 2,280 pounds without the driver, providing an excellent power-to-weight ratio. The suspension features front struts and a 4-link rear setup paired with a Dana 60 rear axle carrying 4.56 gears for dependable launches and maximum traction. Power comes from a massive 555 cubic inch Beal Race engine's big block running on alcohol and backed by a Paul's SFI certified Powerglide transmission with a 1.80 straight cut pro brake and an FTI converter. Additional highlights include stainless steel headers, new optic armor windows, and fresh paint that gives the car an outstanding appearance. Capable of consistent 5.36-second passes at 129 miles per hour with a 225-pound driver, this Cutlass is fully race-ready and represents an exceptional opportunity for competitive drag racers seeking a proven, professionally assembled machine. 8. 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $60,000, located, York, South Carolina. The 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS is an exceptional pro street build created for enthusiasts who appreciate classic American muscle combined with extreme performance. Presented in like new condition, this professionally prepared Nova has been driven only 500 miles since completion, reflecting the quality and freshness of the entire build. At the heart of the car is an enormous 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine topped with a powerful 871 supercharger, producing tremendous horsepower and an unmistakable supercharged sound. The carefully engineered drivetrain is designed to deliver explosive acceleration while maintaining dependable performance for exhibition events, drag racing, or weekend cruising. The aggressive pro street stance gives the Nova an unmistakable appearance, combining classic 1960s styling with modern race-inspired engineering. Every aspect of the build reflects attention to detail, making the vehicle equally impressive on the street, at car shows, or on the drag strip. With its low mileage, outstanding condition, and high-performance supercharged powertrain, this 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS offers collectors and racing enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a beautifully built classic muscle car that delivers remarkable performance, timeless styling, and lasting investment potential. 9. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D. Price, $40,000, located, Independence, Virginia. The 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe 2D is a serious small-tire drag racing machine built to deliver exceptional performance on the strip while maintaining the iconic appearance of a first-generation Camaro. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, this race-ready classic has been driven approximately 1,234 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. Under the hood is a powerful 555 cubic inch Merlin big block engine featuring lightweight aluminum connecting rods, diamond nitrous pistons, and high-performance AFR cylinder heads with fire rings for added durability under extreme conditions. The engine is equipped with both a nitrous express fogger system and plate system, providing impressive horsepower when needed. Power is delivered through a Hughes torque converter and a proven power glide transmission, sending power to a durable Dana 60 rear axle with a professionally built 4-link suspension. Every major component has been selected to maximize traction, strength, and reliability during hard launches. This Camaro represents an outstanding opportunity for racers seeking a competitive, well-equipped classic muscle car capable of delivering exciting performance while standing out at any drag racing event or automotive gathering. 10. 1977 Chevrolet Vega Hatchback. Price, $45,000, located, Elizabethton, Tennessee. The 1977 Chevrolet Vega Hatchback, known as Blue Boy, is a professionally constructed NHRA-certified turnkey drag car built for serious competition. Finished in blue, this lightweight race car weighs only 2,184 pounds without the driver and carries a current NHRA 8.50 chassis certification, making it ready for competitive racing. Power comes from a 427 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built around a Dart Little M block with a 4.125 inch bore and 4.00 inch stroke. Ported Dart Iron Eagle cylinder heads provide excellent airflow, while a Nitrous Express Gemini twin plate system delivers additional horsepower for outstanding acceleration. The drivetrain includes an ATI Powerglide transmission with an 8-inch ATI converter, creating a dependable combination capable of consistent 5-second eighth-mile passes. The S&W racecar's back half chassis features a 12-point roll cage, S&W fabricated 9-inch rear housing with 4.56 gears, and heavy-duty 35 spline axles. Adjustable Coney rear coilover shocks, QA1 front shocks, and aerospace 4-wheel disc brakes complete the package. This fully sorted Chevrolet Vega is race-ready and ideal for experienced competitors seeking proven performance and reliability. 11. 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Mod Drag Car. Price, $105,000, located, Mooresville, North Carolina. The 1970 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Mod drag car is an elite competition machine engineered for professional-level drag racing and outstanding track performance. Completely rebuilt in 2021, this race-ready Camaro features a Synergy body mounted on a certified 25.1 chrome moly chassis with a lightweight carbon fiber interior for maximum strength and reduced weight. The drivetrain includes a high-performance dry sump racing engine paired with an ATI Superglide transmission and Greg Slack's 10-inch converter, providing exceptional acceleration and consistency. Additional premium components include an MDS 7531 ignition system, Leash Electronics nitrous controller, strange floater rear end, spindle mount front wheels, stainless steel side exit headers, and a durable 4.56 rear gear. The car rides on massive 34 by 17 Hoosier Pro Light tires and is powered by a modern 16-volt electrical system for dependable performance. Successfully campaigned in both the 4.70 and 4.50 index classes, this Camaro is a multiple event winner capable of running in the low 4-second range with additional tuning. It is a complete turnkey race car that requires nothing except a driver ready to compete at the highest level. 12. 1968 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $15,500, located, Aberdeen, North Carolina. The 1968 Chevrolet Nova is a purpose-built drag racing machine offering exceptional value for enthusiasts looking to own a competitive classic muscle car. Constructed with an all-steel body, the only lightweight components are the fiberglass hood and trunk lid, helping reduce weight while maintaining the Nova's classic appearance. Power comes from a strong 427 cubic inch V8 engine featuring a .100 over bore, 12.5:1 compression ratio, Ross-forged pistons, and a roller valve train designed for dependable high-performance operation. Fuel is supplied through a large 1050 Dominator carburetor, ensuring outstanding airflow and horsepower. The drivetrain includes a proven 176 Powerglide transmission with a 5550 stall converter, transferring power to a rugged Dana 60 rear axle equipped with 5.57 Pro gears, strange axles, and a lightweight racing spool for maximum durability. Additional racing equipment includes a delay box and electric shifter that provide consistent reaction times and precise gear changes during competition. This 1968 Chevrolet Nova is fully prepared for bracket racing or weekend drag events, making it an excellent choice for racers seeking a reliable, affordable, and well-equipped classic American drag car.